4. Come on. 5.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Do you struggle to find a workout routine that accommodates your neurological condition? You're not alone, and it can be really frustrating trying to stay active without the right guidance. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia, which accelerated my unknown hereditary ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, now we're going to do some walking lunges to start off with. How you feel?
Little tired. They got 4 hours of sleep last night, but because I'm on the carnivore diet, you don't really need a nap.
Unless you're exhausted. All right, come on, let's grab them
But
weights.
this is Monday's workout.
All right, you're stalling now. Stop talking, grab them weights.
Walking lunges.
Yep. Control. Force of control.
Yeah.
Try to come right back. Don't wait. Turn around, come right back.
Almost.
None of that. We ain't having that.
My knee didn't hit.
Huh?
My knee didn't hit.
Good.
Right.
This is the second exercise, walking reaches. Think of like walking deadlifts. Always, all the time, with everything, control. There you go. Control, make them perfect, each one, as much as possible. Come on.
Good.
That was good. Now you're going to do third exercise, push-ups. So
Yeah.
we have to do sets of 25, but we haven't been able to get 4 sets of 25 yet, 100 reps, but we're going to at least get this first one.
Yeah, I'm a little sore from yesterday.
Excuses, excuses. Come on. $25. All the way up, all the way down. That's 5. That's 10. 15. All the way up, all the way down. Come on. That's 20. 21. 22. Come on. 23. 24. 25. Good. Now we're going to do this hammer high row. Kind of like a combo between a row and a pull down. Just because of the angle of the machine. On hand grip.
How many?
We're just doing 8 because you have to go up and wait every one. All the way up. Six. Come on. That's 8 right there. Now we're going to do clams. Last exercise of the workout. Come on. I know it's your favorite. 35 pounds. But you're doing sets of 10, so it's okay. We've already gone up on this. 10 to 25. This is 35. Next week we'll have to do 45. Hands and feet meet in the middle. Every time the head, the hands, the feet touch the ground. Come on. Get up there. Reach for those feet. Come on. 10 of them. Good. Awesome. All right, second set of walking lunges. So you did the yellow, right? 8 kilograms. Green is 12. Red 16. Gray 20. So that's yellow 17.6 pounds. Green is 24 or 26.4 pounds. And so on. I can't remember the other designations, but we're going to do the green ones. So it's about a 10-pound jump.
Yeah.
Walking lunges make them perfect.
Well, my knee won't hit.
Well, you get as close as you can. Over time, you can get lower and lower. Control it. Like anything, but particularly with someone with a neurological issue, repetition. The only way you'll get yourself better, you'll get these better, is just doing it over and over and over and over and over. And then turn around, come right back. Control it. I mean, having that falling nonsense. Come on. Come on. 2 more steps.
Almost out there.
Good, right there. Second set of walking reaches, walking deadlifts. So you're going to use the red ones. 16 kilograms or 35.2 pounds each. Good. Set them down, get yourself set. Have at it.
Yeah, my grip strength isn't very good.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't hear your excuses over the music, so just keep going. Good. Focus. Think control. Each step, each time you reach, you want it to be perfect. Excuse me. As much as possible.
Almost
Control it. Control it. We always get allowed do-overs. Good. That burn is results producing. Let that back, hamstrings, glutes, forearms be on fire.
my
You're trying to force that body to do what you want it to do, not let it be complacent.
Oh,
The more you push it, the more it'll push itself, its limits. See, you got further than normal without stopping. Eventually, you'll be able to go all the way up and all the way back without stopping, without even thinking about it. One more. Good. You set them back. All right. Round 2 of push-ups. Get 25 first time. You got to get 25 now. Come on.
I won't get 20.
Well, we're going to make a concerted effort. See how it goes. Come on. That's 1. All the way down. 10. Come on. There you go. 15. Come on. There we go. It's 25 more. Come on. 21. 22. 23. 2 more. Come on. Oh, my God. That's it. All right. Hammer high rows again. You did 90 the first time. This is 110. Still doing sets of 8. Stay upright. Stretch all the way out every time.
Here
Good.
we go.
Do a second set of clams. We're going to that 45, baby. Come on. For 10 of them.
I never have done it.
Don't listen to him. He's done for it. Come on. Easy. It'll be easy.
I wouldn't say easy. Gotta get my hands.
Grip it. 1. Come on. 2. 3. 4. Come on. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. Come on. 9. Get up there. 10. There we go. Don't drop on your head. Awesome. So that was the first 2 sets of this workout. Next week we'll do a whole workout and show all the sets, but this one's our longest one, so it's pretty time consuming. Right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. The right diet and exercises are key to success. And don't forget to check out our next videos, they might just inspire you to lace up those sneakers and get moving.